Hello guys, my name is Shivang Kamar and welcome to my coding channel. So today we are going to solve the power of 3 problem, which is 24 August Leetcode challenge. So basically in this problem what we are given an integer and we have to return true if it is a power of 3, otherwise we have to return false. So basically the question is that what is the power of 3? So an integer n is a power of 3 if there exists an integer x such that n double equals to 3 power of x. So if we see these examples, so in first example the value of n is equals to 27. So here exists an integer 3. If we do 3 power of 3, then the answer would come up will be 27. So it is true. Similarly, uh, th there is not any integer that exists such that n equals to 0 and 3 power of x like this. So it is a false. We can say that here 3 power of 2 is equals to 9. So basically here exists a power of 3. So it is true. So that's a very simple problem in understanding, and there is nothing in this. The thing we have to see is that the constraints we are given minus 2 power 31 to 2 power 31 minus 1. So here is the explanation that n equals to 27 and the output will be true. Why? Because 3 power of 3 is equals to 27. Here the power in n equals to 0 is not possible in the power of 3. So what we are going to do without wasting any time, firstly, if we if we see the solution in loops, then what we're going to do, we can say that if the number is less than equal to 1, then we will return false. Otherwise what we're going to do, while n is divisible by 3, we are going to divide it by 3, and we are going to return if it is n is equals to 1, the final answer is equals to 1, then we are going to return true, otherwise we are going to return it false. So the answer came. It's very easy loop problem. We can do it in another way, like this. We can else for I in range 2 power of 31 minus 1, if 3 power of I is equals to n, then we are going to return true. And if 3 power of I is greater than n, which means this value is not satisfied, then this value will come up. And in this value this basically this condition means that the number is great, the number has been exceeded and now it is not possible. So we are going to return directly false, and outside we are going to return directly false. So if we run this solution, this code, then the answer came, but it is not that optimized because we are using a lot of loops. So there is also another answer, there is also another solution. So here we are given the constraints. What are the constraints? 2 power of 31 minus 1. Till here we can say that the n value comes up between minus 2 power of 31 to 2 power 31 minus 1. So here what we are going to do, we will find the maximum value of 3 powers up to which up to which it satisfies it. So if you can search it on Google, then that 3 power of 19 is the maximum power of 3 between these two ranges. Means up to this range, 3 power of 19 is the maximum possible power of 3. So what we're going to do, we are going to check return if the number is greater than 0, and the 3 power of 19, if n is dividing 3 power 19. So if we directly do this solution, then it also giving correct, it is also accepting. So basically these three solutions are the are of this problem. In first uh, we have done while loop, we are using while loop. In the second one it is also a loop code. In the third one we have seen the maximum possible power of 3 and uh, directly return the it's divisible if it's divisible by n or not. If it's divisible by n, which means it is a power of 3, otherwise not. So this is a problem which is quite easy. So if you are not able to do this problem on your own, then please focus on your coding skills, because it's a very quite easy problem. You can see that it's clearly mentioned that it's easy. And if you are unable to do this problem, just please finally try it by yourself, then after that move to this video solution. So thank you and have a nice day, and bye bye.